Attention all business owners. Your business is losing money and you may not even know that it could be costing you thousands of dollars every week. Let's unlock the hidden costs of employee financial stress inside of your business. 15 years of PwC employee financial stress surveys reveal how employee financial stress reduces your productivity and profits. Financially stressed staff are twice as likely to report poor health, 5 times more likely to be distracted, and 55% say they're unproductive for 3 or more hours a week. 76% of stressed employees say financial worries impact their productivity, 25% say the impact is severe, and 55% spend 3 hours a week being unproductive at work. If you have 100 employees and 55% of your staff are financially stressed being unproductive for 3 hours a week, that equates to 165 hours of lost productivity per week. At $45 per hour, that's a loss of $356,400 per year. That figure does not include additional costs like staff turnover, rehiring and retraining employees. Financially stressed staff costs your business in 3 ways. You will have a 20% decrease in productivity, staff turnover and retention costs of around $30,000 per employee, and higher absenteeism with employees taking more sick days off work. Here's the good news on how your business can improve productivity, attract and retain the best staff. Offering a financial wellness program in your workplace makes good business sense, reducing financial stress and improving productivity and retention, resulting in a better culture of team morale. The solution to these problems is inside our Business Profit Booster financial literacy and education programs, which include money masterclasses, financial health checks, online e-courses, workshops and stress level surveys. Research shows financial wellness and coaching increases retention rates as staff turnover drops by 30%. It also enhances a 25% increase in productivity. It lowers absenteeism by 50% and improves your company culture. The Retain Money Stress model focuses on resourcefulness, empowerment, training, accountability, improvement, and nurturing to reduce financial stress. We have tools and systems like budget calculators, money goals calculators, and asset portfolio trackers to help your team reduce financial stress. Businesses with healthy, well-balanced employees generate better productivity and profits. Be the employer of choice and impact the lives of your employees and their families. Meet Tony Harrington, a published author of 4 books on financial success and wealth creation. Tony has been featured in various media outlets, sharing his expertise on financial wellness and wealth creation. Tony has made a significant impact on employees at companies like McDonald's, Naked Accounting, Masta Scaffolds, Watertight Waterproofing, Casiform and many more. You now have 3 financial wellness options to choose from, all with our 100% money-back guarantee. We can tailor any financial wellness solutions to fit in with your company needs. Next steps. Talk to Tony about your best option. We track and monitor results, show our winning system and expand the program as needed. McDonald's managers have seen positive feedback from Tony's financial wellness workshop, highlighting the value of financial confidence in driving performance. Tony taught us money skills through cash flow management, budgeting and setting realistic goals. Tony's workshop provided us with the tools needed to move away from a lifestyle where we are living paycheck to paycheck. We left Tony's session feeling empowered and with a refreshed mindset. Tony taught us to apply basic financial education tools and strategies so we all have less money stress. Housing Industry Australia thanks you very much for your money stress presentation. The timing was spot on and I'm sure the members got some great takeaways they can go think about and act on. Really appreciate you making the time to be part of this session. Stuart West, Events Manager HIA Victoria. Masta Scaffold owners Phil and Colleen Sinclair wanted to ease the financial stress and family pressure out of their workers' lives. They engaged money coach, Tony Harrington, to conduct a managing money workshop for all of their staff, which delivered fantastic results. We would recommend Tony to any business wanting their staff to enjoy better financial success and less money stress. Now it's your turn to expand the productivity in your business and make a dynamic impact of the lives of your staff. Talk to Tony about your best option. Call Tony direct or click the link here to book a time to discuss your company's best options with Tony. Thanks for watching and Tony looks forward to speaking with you soon.